Njumuligereri hagati y'abasae ababanyikante muna gusi young professionals ritukolia lero niko besokia na guruba semigo chesa abasae bamwe bagotiga gutumeka bobe nene mono ase amang'ana ge siasa koreta chiburaburu bakoragwa amo na omubwatani obo serieta Douglas Orenyo Ogari nigo boigo banyarukoba bagotogia omuwasiri bw'ekisemi musike Julius Migoso gamba ase emirimo abeire gagokora emiyago segagwikirania muna gutume muri kito Daniel Ontere
ase gikaro ekyo kyabaletamo abasa baiga egikundi kamanyikaine bonagusi young professionals nigo bakwanire kirenga kyabo kyogochamo batabwati tabauti chinde chonsi no nyine cyage siasa baline kirenge kemogyoka gwekonya buna basae.
What we have agreed is that as young people we want to push an agenda that the young people should not be misused for political interests. We want the young people to be used well and to be empowered, and some of them to be employed. So as you see young professionals, we want to discourage that, because ourselves, we are not a political organization. We are purely professional.
Ukwana nabalikia mangano mugasolero asensemo ya Kiumbu Nyeri bari chache imeye kaunti ya Kisii nigo bagikiria ebikole byabasae gutumeka bobe nonyena sokoleta achiburaburu asemesangirikano nili bagelyo kwerwanirira konyora nonyena mabaga yechigasi.
Youths who have employment opportunity and want some promotion, youths who are unemployed and want survival, they are part of us. Because you find a lot of youths are dying of hunger. We need to assist our youths. As young professionals, we have come in now to ensure that all young people at all levels, without any negative subjection, are addressed and are helped to achieve their ambitions.
Asinse mwende nigo balira wocha koyene kibuna bakolire miremo n'abarayi barabisi ase chinga kichi no kuwaterana egati y'abarayi bagusi
otogo sabuna ebyongozi bibyeto bitotangaine binyara gutobwata okoboko bito ikange togwakine serikali ya robono inde tonyare konye nyare gotokonya na antonyare konye bwate zineitwe aso korenka asamagendero.
We back you up. As young leaders, you have to support the government of the day. When you support the government of the day, kimaendeleo, maybe to skills, get to support the government. You can't get anything if you can't support the government of the day.
Nkurubaterigeta seni kya gatembe litrene nguruko Daniel Ontiri.